Hi, my name is Dougles Chan. I am the Qi Men Sifu over here. I teach people how to use Qi Men Dun Jia, and at the same time, I teach people how to become a master in this trade. So a lot of people were asking me, why do I reject some student to learn Qi Men Dun Jia? Why do I operate differently compared to a lot of courses out there that teach Qi Men Dun Jia? Well, the fact is that I will need to advise you that in Qi Men Dun Jia is classified as the top three metaphysics in terms of in China, and apparently is something where is very high level and is very powerful, and with 5,000 years of history, according to the what is written, it is something whereby it's very mystical, it's very powerful. And because of that, whoever that's able to understand this concept will able to do a lot of wonders in their life. I mean, real wonders, nothing mystical, but it can create a lot of positive effect to many people. But of course, on the other hand, if this information or this science is being used by the wrong people, it can turn the thing around. And apparently, the people that who use it in the wrong way, it will create a lot of chaos, a lot of havoc to the third party or the people around them. And at the same time, there's one more reason why I do not want to teach Qi Men Dun Jia to certain people. Certain people is like, if their element in their day stamp is clash with this Qi Men itself, which means that when Qi Men and the person that is learning comes together and they'll be clash together, or in five elements, it's called the control or clashing, then the thing is that the person that learns this Qi Men Dun Jia will suffer. Suffer in terms of financial, suffer in terms of health, suffer in terms of mentally, and suffer in terms of their people around them. So learning the Qi Men Dun Jia to certain group of people may not be good at all. Of course, there are no scientific proof that such thing will happen, but apparently, according to what I see, is that a certain group of people, when they were to learn this trick or this science itself, not great things will happen to them. Okay, just bear with my words, because this is the information I gather from those people who get this and learn this trick in terms of Qi Men Dun Jia. Okay, so that's the reason why I do not want to teach everybody who approach me in the Qi Men Dun Jia, because the Qi Men Dun Jia I share and teach my students are good enough to make a difference in their life, in their relationship, in their wealth, in their career, in their health, etc., etc., etc. Okay, so I hope people who are being rejected by me to learn Qi Men Dun Jia will not be disappointed. You still can learn the basic, but I will not be teaching you the depth in the Qi Men Dun Jia. Thank you for watching this video.